Slow or fast reps for muscle growth? Let's find out. In this science-based video, we'll uncover the truth behind repetition speeds and their impact on building muscle. Get ready for an action-packed showdown to level up your gains. The significance of repetition speed. Repetition speed, concerning strength training, refers to how quickly you lift a set of weights or resistance equipment. It involves three distinct phases: the concentric movement, where you lift the weight; the isometric phase, where you hold the position at the top; and the eccentric movement, where you lower the weight back down. Adjusting the tempo of these phases can alter your training outcomes and the results you achieve in the coming weeks and months. Why choose slower reps? If your aim is to build muscle rapidly, whether you're a seasoned trainer or a beginner, slower repetitions are the way to go. They place your muscles under tension for a longer duration compared to faster reps, leading to increased muscle size. Beginners can safely start with slower reps and lighter weights to prevent injuries and focus on proper form before progressing to heavier weights. Why you should do faster reps? On the other hand, faster reps are more suitable if your fitness goals revolve around enhancing strength and muscle power. Research published in Physiological Reports in 2015 showed that a low-volume resistance program with faster repetitions led to increased arm mass and improved muscle power. A combination of the two? However, combining both fast and slow repetitions during your workout can be a smart approach. A study published in the Journal of Sports Medicine in 2014 suggested that a combination of the two is ideal for maximizing muscle growth. Once again, the answer to whether you should lift fast or slow depends on the context, and there is no definitive right or wrong response. I've already provided the standard "it depends" answer to the question, but there are certain guidelines for each approach, or sometimes, a combination of both, that can help you make an informed decision. How slow is slow? When we talk about slow reps, don't picture a 30-second squat descent. We're not trying to take forever. Generally, we're aiming for a tempo of 2 to 5 seconds during the eccentric lowering phase to keep your muscles under tension a bit longer, followed by a faster speed for the concentric phase. A research review conducted in 2015 revealed that a fairly broad range of rep durations, 1 to 8 seconds, can effectively maximize muscle growth. However, training at extremely slow speeds, over 10 seconds per rep, may actually diminish the exercise's effectiveness and is not the optimal path for hypertrophy or muscle growth. Another study investigating movement velocity's impact on performance came to a similar conclusion, stating that very slow movements might not generate sufficient force, power, or volume to optimize strength and athletic performance. Once you've clarified your goal and the purpose behind the specific exercise you're performing, like a biceps curl, front squat, or deadlift, you'll have a better understanding of whether a fast or slow approach is more suitable. To simplify the decision-making process, let's consider 6 common objectives you might have for your strength and conditioning training, and I'll give you a more direct answer on whether fast or slow repetitions are typically more effective in each case, without any ambiguity. Skill development. When aiming to acquire or improve a skill, it's essential to perform meaningful work at all 3 main speeds. Slow repetitions are valuable to demonstrate movement literacy and ensure correct technique, sequencing, and control during the exercise. Similarly, practicing at a normal speed is crucial. However, it's important to note that executing an exercise slowly doesn't always translate to maintaining the same mechanics when performing at higher velocities or handling additional load. Therefore, it's necessary to practice motor patterns at various speeds to enhance skill development effectively. Speed and power. For those focusing on speed and power adaptations, the goal is to generate force quickly. Assuming proper technique, exercises should be performed as fast as possible to optimize power output. Training at high speeds is essential if you intend to excel in fast movements, such as sprinting or jumping in a game. Advanced techniques like overspeed training can also be considered to improve speed and power further. Strength. When it comes to building strength, a combination of slow and fast repetitions is beneficial. Accelerating during the exercise enhances force production, making speed work important. Additionally, incorporating pauses in movements like pull-ups and squats can increase time under tension, contributing to strength development. Slow eccentric contractions, where the muscles lengthen under tension, require substantial force production and can be particularly useful for building strength and handling heavier weights. Hypertrophy. When your aim is muscle building, it's typically advisable to focus on normal to slow speeds for your repetitions. While fast reps can still have a place in your routine, certain conditions required for inducing hypertrophy are more likely to be met with slow or normal speed reps. Fat loss. Regarding fat loss, the speed of repetitions is not the primary factor to consider. It is more about managing calorie intake, expenditure, and other factors. However, as a general rule of thumb, a combination of both fast and slow reps can be beneficial. Endurance. The type of endurance targeted determines the approach. Whether it's aerobic or anaerobic endurance, or muscular endurance, you can make a case for utilizing all three speeds. For instance, exercises like wall squats with long holds can help build endurance, as can performing 100 unweighted glute bridges without stopping. Experimentation and guidance from a coach can help match the speed and tempo to your specific endurance goal. Health. For overall well-being, it's advisable to incorporate a combination of all three speeds. This approach addresses various goals, including improved endurance, hypertrophy, skill development, speed and power, and fat loss, as mentioned earlier. In summary, start by defining your end goal and then determine which of the 6 main qualities you want to focus on during your training cycle. Apply the provided recommendations while remaining open to adjusting variables if you're not achieving the desired results or improvements. Thanks for joining us on this muscle building expedition. We hope you enjoyed the battle of slow versus fast reps and found the science-based insights valuable for your fitness journey. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach, so feel free to experiment with both repetition speeds to see what works best for you. Keep pushing your limits, stay consistent, and watch those gains soar. If you want more science-backed fitness content and epic showdowns, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting videos to help you achieve your fitness goals and become a true fitness warrior. Now, go out there and conquer those workouts like the champ you are. Until next time, stay strong, stay motivated, and keep crushing it.